Guys, get excited because today is Stitch Fix unboxing day. Hi guys and gals, Cindy with Supposedly Chic. Today is one of my favorite days of the month, and that is Stitch Fix delivery day. I've been doing Stitch Fix for probably about a year and a half now, but this is the first unboxing I've ever done on YouTube, so I'm kind of excited. I hope you are too. Ironically, everything I'm wearing today is actually from Stitch Fix. It just sort of happened that way. But I just want to kind of let you know that I actually walk the walk. I do actually live and love my Stitch Fix fix items, from my shoes to my earrings, and the entire outfit here is Stitch Fix. Different fixes. They didn't all come in the same. But that's why I really look forward to getting this box every month. My stylist has sort of dialed in what I like, what I don't like, and really important is the comments and the feedback that we share. But I look forward to this box every month because I know that it is stuff I would not necessarily pick out for myself, but stuff that I should have picked out for myself. So if you guys are ready, let's break into the box. For those of you who are not familiar with Stitch Fix is a fashion delivery service that sends you fixes at your predetermined intervals. They send 5 pieces at a time. It can be a mixture of clothing, jewelry, and shoes. You have the choice to keep all or none. And there's a link down below if you want to find out more information, and I also will list some of the kind of main bullet points you need to know for Stitch Fix. Like I said, I've been doing Stitch Fix for probably a year and a half, and I really enjoy every one of my fixes. There's always something in there that's kind of a gem. I like to call it my fave piece of the month, and we're going to look at what our fave piece of the month is right now. I just opened the box. So this is what I see, and I see kind of some florals. I see a little bit of jean denim, which is always cool. But the other great thing is I see a box, which means I have some type of jewelry in here. So they will send you 5 pieces. They send you a pre-postage envelope if you want to send anything back, but they also send you a couple really cool things. One is the invoice, which is never terribly cool. The second, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but it talks a little bit about each item that you get in the Stitch and some ways that you can coordinate and make an outfit out of it. And they always have a kind of a cute little thing, like this one basically says, "Hey there, Cindy, happy Stitch Fix number 17. Number 17, people. I absolutely love filling your closet with new items each fix. If there's anything you don't, is there anything you don't have? For this box, I stuck with grabbing you a few tops to add some texture and print to your wardrobe." As you can see, they really personalize your fix, and they try and, it's not just like, here's the 5 top items for Stitch Fix, see if you like it. It's like, here's the items that we've picked specifically based on your tastes, your feedback, and what you've kept in the fix. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, I'm kind of a colorful girl. I've told them that I like things. If I'm left to my own devices, it's going to be black and jean like all the time. So I like to ask them to kind of pump it up with some color. So this first item is a short-sleeved or sort of mid-sleeve cold shoulder top. The Stitch Fix description is Mian cold shoulder mixed material top, and you can see it is mixed material. It's lace on the front, and it is just a solid blue on the back. It has a zipper. This I can see sort of dressing up with some slacks or just putting it together with some jeans. So I kind of like the color. I like the style. We'll see when we put it on. Second item caught my eye. When I told you I've usually got my one fave, and I can almost pick it out immediately. This is just so me. I remember when I was a teenager, my mom used to always try and get me to wear florals, and back then the florals were tragic. Like, they look like couch cushions. But this is what they call a Betty choker neckline blouse. So it has the high neck. It has the 2-button clasp at the neck. It is sleeveless. It looks like it's an A-line cut, which works well for me because I have a little bit bigger hips. And it's a nice muted pattern design that I can, again, dress up, dress down. I can throw a jacket over it. It's pretty versatile piece, I think. And this may be my fave. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, this is interesting. It is taupe, I guess. I call it beige, but taupe. Let's see what they call this baby. Alden curved hem button-up cardigan. The reason I like cardigans, they send me a lot of blazers, but the reason I like cardigans is, again, dress up, dress down. You know, I like versatile pieces that can sort of do both, and this may be it. It came out a little wrinkled, so we'll have to do something with that. But it has, I hope you can see here, it has a curved hem at the bottom. And it's got some nice detail here on the shoulder and the sleeve. And this actually would probably go really well with this top underneath. We'll have to see in just a second. And then I see some denim down here. I love the way their jeans fit, you guys. They're always soft. They're always like, these guys, I live in them because they're so comfortable. It's like a second skin. These are called, ooh, Liza frayed hem skinny jeans. You know, frayed hem is kind of the buzzword for this season. Ooh, and there's a zipper. Look at that. So we've got a frayed hem skinny jeans with a zipper. Again, this I don't know how much I'll be able to dress up, but there's nothing like a good comfy pair of jeans. So that's our fourth piece of clothing. And now we get into the jewelry box. I like, as you can see, a lot of silver. I think silver is really versatile. I can wear it with anything. I've got necklaces and bracelets and earrings from Stitch Fix, and all of them coordinate together. So let's see what we got in here. Mini double sphere pave stud earrings. What? Okay, I hope you guys can see those up close. I'll put them on when I start putting the outfits on. But it's really pretty. They're really simple. And again, they'll go with everything in the fix. So guys, I'm going to go put on the first outfit. I think I'm going to put the jeans on with everything. It looks like it'll go with all of that. So hold tight. I'll be right out with outfit number one. Okay guys, so this is outfit combination number one. I actually have 3 of the pieces in the fix on right now. I don't remember the name, so I'm going to grab the sheet so you guys know exactly what they are. I have the mini double sphere pave earrings. I have the frayed hem skinny jean. And I have the cold shoulder mixed material top. I really like this outfit. I think it's one of those ones where if you're going out to a club or a birthday party or something and you can kind of want to dress up your jeans, this is a kind of a cool combination. Let's talk about the jeans for a second. I was on the fence with the whole frayed hem, but this one isn't very extreme frayed. You can see it's just a little bit of fringe. Interesting they have the zippers on the inside of the leg. I don't know what that's about. When I was a teenager, the cool thing was to have the zippers on the outside. I tried to pair these with a couple different pairs of shoes. Sandals, like flip-flops, were good. Kind of chunky heels like this are good. Pumps were okay. Some of the other shoes, if they had a too low heel, it just sort of looked wide, I guess, if that's the best terminology. The only deal about these pants that I'm not really happy with is the fit. They're a little lower riding than I'm comfortable usually with, so I'm going to give these a maybe right now. I will determine over the next couple days whether I'm going to keep them or not. I actually got to feel if I'm just comfortable with the sort of lower rise. That cannot be said, however, for the top, because I really love this top. First of all, it's really lightweight. A lot of times when you have clothing that's got some sort of embellishment on it, you can sort of feel weighted down with that top, and this is not the case. I love the color. I love the pattern. I love the sort of fringe detail on the sleeves and on the hem. In the back, if you can see, it has a zipper on the top, and it's almost like a crepe sort of silk t-shirt in the back. Again, I believe this is one of those pieces that you can dress up, you can dress down, and I like the fact that it's a cold shoulder top without being one of those big bulky sweaters. So I can wear this through spring, through summer, etc. And of course, the earrings will go with everything, and I love earrings. So give me 1 minute, I'm going to go change some clothes and we'll look at outfit combination number 2. Okay guys, here is outfit combination number 2. We're using 2 pieces from the fix. We're using the earrings and the top. The top is, drumroll please, Collective Concepts Betty Choker neckline blouse. Is that supposed to be a play on words like Betty Crocker? I don't know, but I'm going with it. I like this because it's a floral, but it's muted. I talked to you a little bit when we opened the box about florals, and sometimes they can be a little garish. I like this. I feel like I could dress this up or dress this down. I changed into some darker jeans. I didn't like the way this looked with the lighter jeans that were in the fix, but you can see the dark jean sort of pulls out some of the darker details of the top. I like the style of top. I can wear it as it is. I can throw a sweater or a blazer over if I want to. It has the sort of peekaboo neckline here, which I like because it shows a little bit, not too much. It is, again, sleeveless. As you can see, it has a 2-button neck closure. It is, again, sleeveless, and it's got a little bit of flow to it, and I feel like this is a top that I could either dress up or dress down. I kind of envision in the summertime pairing this with a pair of light colored shorts and some flip-flops. I could throw a black skirt with this and some black heels. I actually paired it with another pair of shoes that I got from Stitch Fix. If you can pan down and show them my shoes. Thank you, love. These are Toms. They are pretty comfortable, and again, because they're neutral, they go really well with this lighter mauve top. There we go. Hello again. And what we talked about earlier was that sort of beige cardigan. I'm going to grab it right now so you can kind of see how it accentuates the pattern. The Adler curved hem button-up cardigan. When I throw this cardigan on, you're going to see it sort of changes the look of the outfit a little bit. I'm going to be honest and tell you it kind of dresses it down a little bit. But if you take this and you sort of partner it with the Tom's boots and the jeans, I can see going to coffee with a friend in this, going to a concert at the Hollywood Bowl, you know, a little dressy but not too dressy. And again, if I turn around, you can see it does have the curved hem. It kind of covers some of those problem areas for us ladies. I can pull the sleeves up if I want to. I can button it if I need to. All around, I think it's a pretty good neutral colored cardigan, so it'll fit in my wardrobe collection pretty well. In fact, all of these pieces, again, gotta see if I can get over the whole low rise on the frayed jeans, but other than that, I'm really happy with all 5 of these pieces. And so if you give me just a minute, I'm gonna go change out of these clothes and come back with some final thoughts. Hi guys, so here we are back in the studio in our original duds. I really had fun unboxing my Stitch Fix for you guys, and I hope you guys had fun too. Now granted, you don't get to wear all the fun clothes like I do, but hopefully you pulled a little bit out of it. I did want to go over really quick how the Stitch Fix program works. I will put a referral link down below that allows you to try out Stitch Fix, and it waives your Fix fee. To let you know, the way Stitch Fix works is if you buy the clothes that you see in your Fix, they waive your Fix fee. That Fix fee covers their time in picking your outfits, the shipping back and forth, etc. If you don't select and keep any of your items, you return all 5 of them back, you will be charged the $20 Stitch Fix fee. But again, the link that you're going to see below is going to allow you to waive that first one. One of the other great things about Stitch Fix is they work around your budget. Whether it's how much you want to spend per fix or how often do you want to fix, they're totally flexible with that. You can select the interval at which you want your fix delivered. I get mine every 4 weeks because I love Stitch Fix. But if 8 weeks works better for you, it's your choice, and you get to determine that with Stitch Fix. The other thing is they work around your budget. There is a field in every time you decide if you're going to keep an item or return an item that is specific to cost. It's just right, it's too low, or it's too high. They will take that information and start customizing your fixes around the answers you give about budget. And guys, Stitch Fix is not just for women. They have Stitch Fix Men, they have Stitch Fix Plus, I believe they actually even have Stitch Fix Child coming out later on this year. So don't limit your fix to just you. You can outfit your entire family on whatever frequency you're looking to do with your fixes. Just to give you sort of a recap, the frayed hem skinny jeans are $98. The pave stud earrings are $38, which I think is a really good deal because they're really solid earrings. The taupe button-up cardigan is $68. The Betty Choker neckline blouse is $54. And the cold shoulder top is $58. Now what happens when you buy all 5 items is you get 25% off of that amount. So if you can imagine keeping all 5 of those, 25% off is $79. So oftentimes, even if I'm iffy about one of the pieces, I'll find that the discount amount is equal to the price of that item. So I will go ahead and, it's almost like I'm getting it for free, so I'll go ahead and keep it. I have actually gifted some of my fixes to people. And usually if I sort of work with it long enough, I can find a way to make most of the pieces work. So guys, again, would love to see your comments. I'd like to see your feedback on what kind of outfit choices you think that I should have made with the pieces that I had. Maybe a change in the shoes, maybe a change in the bottoms or the top. Let me know if you try Stitch Fix because I really want to see how it goes for you. And let me know if you want to see this again because I do get Stitch Fixes every month. But this is the first time I've unboxed them for you guys. So I'm a little nervous, but also kind of excited because I love Stitch Fix and I really hope you guys do too. So until next time, this is Cindy with Supposedly Chic telling you guys to make it a good one.